Today we're going to show you a Domino construction vehicle. We got this as a birthday gift from our friend DJ's Tisa Nikki, and she said she got this from Amazon too. And this is very nice gift, and this is perfect for toddlers, for color coordination, hand-eye coordination ability, and a great perfect for fine motor skills. So we have a Domino construction vehicle, and plastic blocks where have the different colors, yellow, red, and blue. Two Domino tools, the construction cone barrels, there are 4 of them, a construction guardrails. This is really pretty cool. My kids both loved it. They're amazed on how the Domino truck laid the blocks out in such a nice pattern. Hi TJ.
Hi.
What are you doing? Playing the Domino game truck? Oh, where did you get that? Oh, that's awesome. Okay, we're going to put you have to stack it up, all the dominoes in here.
Yeah.
Can you do it?
No.
Come on. Make it a rainbow, or just the same one color, or 2 colors the same. Any color. More, please. TJ got this Domino game truck from his Aunt Nikki last birthday, and this toy is really a good one, and TJ's enjoyed a lot playing with this. You're doing good, TJ. Mommy can help you.
It's tired.
Almost. Almost full. Add more. Oopsie. More. I think 3 more, 2 more.
Yay!
More. Oh, done. Good job. And then we're going to insert this in this hole. You can arrange the cone, TJ.
Yeah. Arrange the cone.
You have to arrange it.
This cone.
Are you ready? Bring in. Can you sit properly? Okay, are you ready to turn it on? You have to move your truck going that way, TJ. Move that way.
Yay!
All done! Yay! You want to try it again?
Uh-huh.
Just slide it down. Slide it, slide. And then you have to fill it up again.
Oh.
So fill it up.
Up.
Yep, go this way. And then down here. Oh, yep, like that.
Up.
Fill it up. Awesome. Can you sit properly?
I want to make it blue. I want to make blue.
Make more.
No, the blue. Blue dominoes.
Is it awesome?
Uh-huh.
It's very nice. Really loves this too. Where's Kuya, TJ? In school? And Dad, where is Dad? Dad goes to work. Done? You want all red? Red color? Here, I can give you all the red. All those other colors. Is it full ready? Not yet. I have more red dominoes in here. Yellow? You like yellow? What colors do we have in here? How many colors?
100.
100? You only have 3 different colors. Blue, yellow, and red. Done? Okay, you need help to put it back in the truck? Oh, oopsie!
My
It's alright. Mommy can help you. Can you see properly? Here. Quick. Do you want to make it quick?
No, for Daddy.
Where is it? The yellow.
This is my attention.
That's funny. We have to close it first before we put it here, okay? Almost. There you go. I think you need 4 more. 1, 2, 3. Last one. Here. 4. Good job. And then we're gonna slide it to close. Whoopsie. And then we have 2. Put it in here. Are you ready?
Good, the poo-poo.
Okay, wait a minute. Da-da-da. Wait a minute. Where is it going?
It's going wrong direction.
Wrong direction? Go this way.
Yes.
All done.
Oops.
Okay, ready? Touch it. Oopsie. Where are you?
Whoa.
Good job.